So there are 24 notebooks and everything is 24. Even these pencils, even the stencils, even everything. So I really like this because you could just give away things to just like many people at the birthday party. This is also a really good gift for people like if there's a birthday or something. So I really love this because you can take this notebook anywhere you want. So I will highly recommend this. Thank you.